Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Do you recognize what this is? You said an egg? Well, it is the beginning of embryology and developmental biology. In 460 BC, Hippocrates said that the white of the egg is the nutrition or provides the nutrients, and the yellow of the egg forms the bird. And once the baby bird is formed, it eats up and grows till all the white is over. Then it hatches or cracks the shell and comes out clean. But science doesn't work like that. It needs proof. And the proof, though slightly contradictory to what was proposed by Hippocrates, was provided by Aristotle in 350 BC. At that point of time, there were two theories of development. One was pre-formation, that is, a minuscule or a mini baby is contributed by the male and the female provides the space for the baby to grow. And the other, which was supported by Aristotle, is epigenesis. That is, the embryo begins as a single cell and then gradually the organs are formed and then comes the organism. And how did Aristotle prove this? Well, he just took a clutch of eggs and collected them and put them under a hen. And every day he went to the barn, picked one egg and cracked it open and observed what lay in it. And Aristotle said that the white of the egg forms the embryo, whereas the yellow provides the nutrients. And as early as 43 hours, he said that there's a small blood speck which forms the heart, then comes the veins, and by 10 days, the entire white bird is formed, and the stomach and all the other organs can be visualized. Then you can see the eye and the eyelid, and slowly the complete bird is ready by 20 days. And he said that if you hold the egg close to your ear, you can hear the chick chirping inside it. And then when you crack open, the chick comes out. And by this experiment, by cracking open one egg every day for 21 days, Aristotle proved that epigenesis is what occurs and not preformation. Gradually, the single cell develops into the complete organism. Who understood that cracking a simple egg would lead to embryology and developmental biology? Well, you ponder on this while I'll go and make my omelette. Thank you.